They are the glass gummy bear jars, and I say they're gummy bears because they look like little gummy bears. And these actually come in a red and a light pink. Hello, friends. I am Melanie from Simple Made Pretty. And if you are new to my community, I share budget DIYs, home decor, and Cricut crafts. And if you like those two, be sure to hit the subscribe button so we can be friends. In today's video, I wanted to share a recent Dollar Tree find. Now, these were available last year, and apparently they flew off the shelves. I don't even remember seeing them last year, but I saw them this year and I went ahead and picked up two. They are the glass gummy bear jars, and I say they're gummy bears because they look like little gummy bears. And these actually come in a red and a light pink. I did not get the red because I felt like the pink went more with my home decor. And yes, it does kind of go with my outfit today. Yeah. I actually did a little research and I was like, what are people using these glass jars for? I mean, because it is Valentine's Day. The first thing that came to my mind was put some goodies in it and give it as a gift. But then I decided to just look and see, okay, what are people using these for? So I actually could not find any useful videos at all. The only thing I found was what I just mentioned. People are using them as containers to put gifts in. So I thought I would put together a quick video for you guys to talk about 20 different ways that you can use these jars. And most of them are gift giving because they're just so cute, right? But I actually bought two of them to use in my office because I do have a lot of like a pop of pink going on in my office, and I thought they were just too adorable to pass up. So let's just go over my list. I made a list of 20 ways that you can use these jars. The first one is a soap dispenser. I think the Dollar Tree even sells a kit that you can, drill a little hole here and insert your little soap dispenser, and then boom, you have a cute little soap dispenser for Valentine's Day. Or if you just like having the gummy bear, pink or red gummy bear all year long, how cute would that be? And then I think Dollar Tree also sells different lids that you can get to put on top. I'll have to go and check next time I'm there to see if that actually works out, and then I'll just do a shorts video that shows you if it works or not. The next thing I came up with an idea for using these is using them as a plant container. How cute would it be to see it like plant a little succulent in here, and you could just have it even start at the bottom and just watch it grow all the way up. That would just be so cute and like a little gift for Valentine's Day, or maybe even like a little baby gift. My next idea is a candle. So you can just get some soy wax and beeswax and make your own candles, and just pour the wax in there and different scents, and then you have your own homemade candle. Another idea along with the candles, if you don't like candles, you could put all the ingredients for a simmer pot recipe inside of here. So I actually gave a simmer pot recipe as gifts for the holidays, and I just put them in little cellophane bags. I did your classic cranberry and orange with the rosemary sprig and some cloves in a bag, and that was the simmer pot recipe, and I put a little recipe card on it. And you could easily do that. I know there is a copycat Williams-Sonoma simmer pot recipe that involves lemon as well as rosemary and I think vanilla. You could put all of that in here and attach a cute little card, and then you have a little simmer pot recipe that you could give as a gift. Another idea is to just use this as drinkware. I mean, I could see somebody putting their fancy iced coffee and whipped cream on top and a cute little straw and drinking out of it every day. If you're looking for teacher gift ideas, I could definitely see putting a bunch of pencils or markers in here and tying a little ribbon, and then that could be a gift for a teacher. Otherwise, you could just use it in your home office as a pencil holder. Or even if you're organizing craft supplies, you could put a bunch of different colored markers as well as paintbrushes. There's so many other things you could use these to organize things in your home. Another idea is to just use it as a flower vase, maybe give it as a gift for someone, or if you're just like displaying flowers in your own home, to use it as a vase. I originally bought these because when I was a child, I had a similar bear piggy bank, and so I still have it, but I bought these two to go with it, so I was gonna kind of set them together. So I'm gonna have to go get my piggy bank and set them out and show you what that looks like, because you could easily drill a hole in the top and use it as a piggy bank, or just take the lid off and put your coins in that way to use it as a piggy bank. Another idea that would be fun for Valentine's Day or maybe an anniversary is to use this as like a container to put date night ideas or little love notes in. So I saw somebody that was starting a jar that had 52 date night ideas inside of it. And so that way you're kind of planning out at least every week of the year to take a special date night, and you could just keep them in this cute little jar. Another idea is just to use this as a cookie jar or a candy jar in your home. And along with the date night idea, I thought about using it as a memory jar or time capsule. Now, for Mother's Day last year, I took a vase and I put a bunch of notes in it that were memories of my childhood, and I gave that to my mom as a Mother's Day gift. And believe it or not, she actually really loved that gift. It was handwritten notes, and specifically me talking about things in my life that I remembered experiencing with her growing up, like us driving in the car and the type of music she would listen to, or certain things that we would do together once a week, and things like that. So you could use this as a little memory jar. Another idea is to get a couple of these, like I mentioned, using them to store and organize things. You could use them in your bathroom for Q-tips and cotton swabs and other bathroom essentials. So again, using them as storage and organization. Another idea is to take the solar lights at Dollar Tree, and you could either cut the hole here for them to fit so that you have a solar powered bank at the top to create a solar powered light, or it might just fit inside here without having to cut the lid. Again, going back to the bathroom, you could put these in the bathroom to use as a toothbrush holder. Another idea is to create a snow globe or one of those little sensory containers. You just put all of the ingredients inside to make your little sensory container or your snow globe. You could also personalize these with your Cricut machine. If you have a laser machine that etches on glass, you could try that as well. Personalizing them and using them in any of the ways that I've mentioned already. Another idea is to put some bath salts or a foot soak inside of it, tie a little ribbon to the top. I actually have 2 recipes on my blog. The foot soak is really popular for some reason because you can get all of the ingredients at Dollar Tree and put it all together, and you have this awesome little gift. You could also use these as containers to organize pantry items. Like I mentioned, using it as a cookie container or candy container. Maybe you want to put other smaller items, so you could use it to organize food staples. You could use it for a honey jar, sugar, other spices. I definitely could see the sugar, or maybe like a cinnamon and sugar mix. And lastly, number 20 on my list is to make a DIY lamp. Now, this is very similar to the solar powered lamps, but actually I have taken Dollar Tree vases and turned them into lamps. Now you have to find the battery powered lights to be able to do this hack, but they should fit inside of here when you take the lid off to fit inside, and then you could add a little DIY lampshade to it, and that would just be so cute. And actually I was thinking about adding a small lamp to my craft room, so I might just have to try that hack. Okay guys, this video was short and sweet. I did not have any tutorials in here, so hopefully I will be sharing some in my shorts and on my Instagram page, so be sure to follow me over there so you don't miss those. This video was all about just sharing some ideas with you guys since I couldn't find any myself, so I hope that these ideas were helpful for you, and I hope that your Dollar Tree still has these in stock and that you're able to grab a couple for yourself to try some of these DIY projects. That was it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Have a great day and stay crafty. Bye.